Welcome to Rajasthan, the land of royals and legends. Famous for its majestic forts, vibrant festivals, and desert landscapes, Rajasthan offers an unforgettable experience. Join us as we explore the top 20 destinations you must visit in this incredible state. Known as the Pink City, Jaipur boasts stunning architecture, such as the Amber Fort and Hawa Mahal. Explore the bustling bazaars for traditional handicrafts and jewelry. Experience the rich heritage during the vibrant Jaipur Literature Festival. Don't miss the chance to ride an elephant to the Amber Fort or indulge in traditional Rajasthani cuisine at Chowki Dhani. Udaipur, the city of lakes, enchants visitors with its shimmering waters and romantic palaces like the City Palace and Lake Palace. Enjoy a boat ride on Lake Pichola and witness traditional Rajasthani dance performances. Wander through the narrow lanes of the old city and discover hidden art galleries and bustling markets. The golden city of Jaisalmer, with its iconic sandstone fort, offers a glimpse into medieval India. Experience the magical Thar Desert with camel safaris and desert camps under the starry skies. Explore the intricately carved Havelis and soak in the vibrant local culture during the desert festival. The blue city of Jodhpur is famed for the imposing Mehrangarh Fort, offering panoramic views of the city. Stroll through the blue-hued streets and savor local delicacies like Mirchi Vada and Mawa Kachori. Discover the bustling Sardar Market and admire the craftsmanship of traditional Rajasthani textiles. Pushkar is a spiritual town known for the sacred Pushkar Lake and the annual Camel Fair. Explore the vibrant bazaars and witness mesmerizing sunset views from the Savitri Temple. Participate in the evening Aarti ceremony by the lake and capture the serene atmosphere of this holy town. Ajmer is home to the revered Ajmer Sharif Dargah, a pilgrimage site attracting devotees from all over the world. Experience the spiritual aura and explore the city's rich Mughal heritage. Take a walk around Anna Sagar Lake and visit the beautiful Adhai Din Ka Jhopra Mosque. A heaven for wildlife enthusiasts, Ranthambore National Park is famous for its population of majestic tigers. Embark on a thrilling safari and explore the ruins of the ancient Ranthambore Fort. Capture breathtaking wildlife photography and experience the raw beauty of nature. Bikaner, the Camel City, is known for its beautiful palaces, such as Junagarh Fort and Lalgarh Palace. Don't miss the unique Karni Mata Temple, home to thousands of sacred rats. Explore the bustling streets of the old city and indulge in local treats like Bikaneri Bhujia. Rajasthan's only hill station, Mount Abu offers a cool retreat with its lush landscapes and the stunning Dilwara temples. Enjoy boating on Nakki Lake and visit the scenic Guru Shikhar viewpoint. Discover the tranquility of the Achalagarh Fort and immerse yourself in the spiritual atmosphere of the Brahma Kumaris Meditation Center. Chittorgarh Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, tells tales of valor and sacrifice. Explore the majestic fort complex, including the Tower of Victory and Rani Padmini's palace. Learn about the legendary stories of Rani Padmini and Maharana Pratap that echo within the fort's walls. Apart from Ranthambore, Savai Madhopur is known for its rich history and the magnificent Ranthambore Fort. Experience the rural charm and interact with local communities. Visit the Rajiv Gandhi Regional Museum of Natural History to gain insights into the region's biodiversity. Bundi is a picturesque town known for its ornate stepwells, palaces, and the impressive Taragarh Fort. The town's vibrant paintings and murals add to its artistic allure. Wander through the narrow lanes and discover hidden treasures like the 84-pillared cenotaph and the enchanting Sukh Mahal. Kumbhalgarh Fort, with its massive walls, is one of the most formidable fortresses in India. Discover the stunning landscapes and rich wildlife surrounding the fort. Explore the ancient temples within the fort and take in the breathtaking views from its ramparts. Alwar offers a mix of history and nature, with attractions like the Bala Killa Fort and the scenic Sariska Tiger Reserve. Explore the charming markets and indulge in local sweets like Kalakand. Visit the stunning Musi Maharani Ki Chhatri and enjoy a peaceful boat ride on Silisera Lake. Bharatpur is home to the famous Keoladeo National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a paradise for bird watchers. Explore the park's diverse avian population and vibrant flora. Take a cycle rickshaw tour of the park and witness the stunning array of migratory birds. Neemrana is known for its splendid Neemrana Fort Palace, offering a luxurious heritage experience. Enjoy a royal stay, ziplining adventures, and the enchanting stepwells nearby. Attend cultural performances at the fort and relish a candlelit dinner overlooking the Aravali Hills. Ranakpur is renowned for its intricately carved Jain temples, a marvel of architectural excellence. The tranquil surroundings and artistic sculptures make it a must-visit destination. Explore the beautiful temple complex and experience the serenity of the surrounding Aravali Hills. Jhunjhunu is part of the Shekhawati region, known for its grand Havelis adorned with stunning frescoes. Explore the rich heritage and artistic legacy of this unique region. Visit the Rani Sati temple and admire the elaborate architecture and vibrant paintings. Mandava is a charming town famous for its beautifully painted Havelis and vibrant frescoes. Discover the artistic treasures and immerse yourself in the town's cultural heritage. Explore the grand Mandava fort and stroll through the bustling streets filled with local artisans. The Shekhawati region is often referred to as the open-air art gallery of Rajasthan, with its richly decorated Havelis. Explore the towns of Navlagar, Fatehpur, and Dundlod for an artistic journey. Discover the intricate frescoes that depict tales of mythology, history, and local life. Thank you for joining us on this epic journey through Rajasthan, where history comes alive and vibrant culture surrounds you. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or a culture enthusiast, Rajasthan has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible travel content. Until next time, happy travels!